A Filipino writer whose stories and poems depict Filipino-Spanish cultural beliefs and traditions. Is it A, Nick Joaquin, B, NVM Gonzalez, C, Bienvenido Santos, or D, Jose Garcia Villa? The correct answer for number 14 is letter A, Nick Joaquin. Sige nga po, quick question. Ano po ang pseudonym? Ano po ang pen name ni Nick Joaquin? That is Quijano de Manila. Okay, ano ba yung mga famous work ni Nick Joaquin? Andyan si the portrait of an artist as a Filipino, 'di ba? The portrait of an artist as a Filipino. Andyan din yung The Woman Who Had Two Navels. Okay? Those are the works of Nick Joaquin. Ayan. So, yung kanyang mga sinusulat, it's associated with Filipino-Spanish. Pag nakita si Filipino-Spanish, Joaquin. Pag nakita naman si NVM Gonzalez, ang kanyang famous work naman ay yung The Happiest Boy in the World. And ang ibig sabihin po ng NVM ay Nestor Vicente Madali. Si Benvenido Santos naman, lumabas na rin sa board exam before. He is famous for writing Scent of Apples. Si Jose Garcia Villa, ang kanyang pen name po ay Doveglion, Dove, Eagle, Lion. And he's also known as the comma poet because of using commas sa kanyang mga works. And siya rin po yung sumulat ng short story na Footnote to Youth, which is about teenage pregnancy.